Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show is sponsored by Hog Holsters, Olight Flashlights, and Heal That Pain Shoe Insert. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. It is the last day. My voice is about gone, but I'm here with Todd, which is my son's name, was 19 yesterday.
Yeah.
From Off Grid Tools, and I just happened to pass by and see these guys, and I remember that I'd seen some of their stuff in a battle box before, so I thought I'd say hello. And I didn't even know this, but they've got like 9 different models of survival kits.
Yes, we do.
The survival kit components, I guess. And the one that really struck my mind, big surprise, was their fire kit. So, Todd, tell us a little bit about the fire kit.
We have a large and a small one. This is our large one. The large one has 33 pieces in it, and there's lighter, matches, there's tinder, there's a rope saw in here. There's all kinds of different things that you can use to start a fire.
And you can see, and you got to see through the back just how this thing is chock full of stuff. Those are like tinder tab type things, and that's like a little saw.
A rope saw, yeah.
And
that's
fire starter,
yeah,
and just matches. Yep. What kind of? Those look like Yuko matches, some of my favorite matches. I mean, so this quality stuff. I see that. I know this is not cheap junk, right? Because you can buy cheap matches.
Right.
But, so it looks like a really good, and it's sealed up, so it's going to be waterproof. You throw this in a go bag, a bug out bag, or whatever, and you know you can be able to start a fire. You know, I think that's probably one of the most important things you can have as a way to make a good fire, right? I'm not going to be out there trying to make a bow drill when I'm freezing, because I can't make a bow drill anyway. So that's pretty cool. And then what's the retail on this?
This one sells for $29.99. It's available on our website.
Pretty fair price.
Yeah, at offgridtools.com.
Well, Todd, thanks so much for taking a minute and talk to us.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that episode of the Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. Once again, I'd like to thank my sponsors and encourage you to go check them out. First of all, Hog Holsters, helping Americans wear guns. Olight Flashlights, makers of the PL Mini, PL Valkyrie, and lots of other cool flashlights. And the folks at Heal That Pain Heal Seats, which I'm wearing right now. They literally changed my life. So I encourage you to check them all out. Tell them I said hello and thanks for sponsoring this year's coverage of the 2019 SHOT Show. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.